Hi there. Welcome to JavaScript in 7 days, an amazing JavaScript course created by Pact Publishing. My name is Michael Rosada. I'm a professional programmer specializing in JavaScript development. I've been a JavaScript developer for 5 years. I've developed a handful of large mobile and web apps using JavaScript. I'm also a certified AWS developer associate and systems architect associate. I was like you a few years ago, new to JavaScript, not knowing how to learn or how long it would take. I made my way through books and courses just like this one. When I find time, I write about programming, mainly JavaScript, at onethingsimple.com. Late 2016, I began a YouTube channel that focuses on JavaScript. I've also written and recorded 3 other courses for Pact Publishing about functional programming with JavaScript. JavaScript is the language of the web. For this reason, it has become one of the most useful languages in the world. It's a great language for beginners and experts alike. So let's go over what you can expect from this course. This course covers a lot of ground in a short amount of time. You aren't expected to know any JavaScript. By the end of the course, you should have a good understanding of JavaScript. Ideally, though, you should know some HTML and maybe a little CSS, but it's not absolutely required. You'll learn how to use JavaScript and jQuery together. jQuery is a JavaScript library. By the end of the course, you'll be able to build a complete project, a developer's diary or journal with a search engine that can organize your code snippets in one place. Let's take a sneak peek at the course and that project. So over the 7 days, we'll be writing code in the browser at repl.it. So getting up and going is super easy. The first day's material is aimed to introduce complete beginners to JavaScript, and you'll be writing a Mad Lib story generator on the first day. The course will teach you to use jQuery. It's a powerful JavaScript library which has been around the block and is still used on approximately 96.2% of websites and web-based apps. Over the 7 days of JavaScript, each night I'll end by giving you an assignment to help the day's concepts really sink in. Some of the early assignments will become foundations for projects in later assignments, making them more like miniature projects rather than one-off assignments. The start of each day, I'll go over how I did the assignment. You can compare your work to mine. Remember, perfection on these assignments is not expected. Effort is the only requirement. The more effort you put in, the stronger your skills develop. You'll build a mini battleship game, which at first is nothing but a text-based console game, but as we learn more and more, you'll be able to turn it into a browser game with a form and buttons for the player to use. You'll begin using Bootstrap, create a carousel, take advantage of browser storage APIs, embed content from third-party sites, and this is the final project where you'll put everything you learned together, build a developer's journal, a place to write about what you've learned, and even to attach editable code snippets to your journal entries. You can show this to friends, families, and potential employers. This will showcase that you understand fundamental JavaScript and you can model practical solutions to common web projects. The assignments and the final project, they teach concepts which are required for most web development jobs, and I'll have you using those concepts in fun ways to highlight some creative things you can do with JavaScript, not just build simple websites. The course is designed to be completed over 7 weekends or 7 days for the ambitious among you. So if you're ready, and you're excited to change your life with a new career, or you just want to learn to build websites and web apps, then I'm ready as well, and I'll meet you in the course.